I'm Brett with the Tooele Bit and Spur Rodeo. We have a lot of really awesome events planned this year. On June 29th in the morning, we have a special needs rodeo. It's a really cool event, well worth coming out to check out. And then later that afternoon, we have our junior rodeo that will be held at the Deseret Peak Arena. The junior rodeo goes from 4 o'clock until it ends around 9 or 10 o'clock. And then on July 3rd and 4th, we have our big 4th of July rodeo. It's 2 days of rodeo. We have a really cool barrel man, also known as a clown, that's coming in this year. On top of the Bit and Spur Rodeo, I'm also the service manager at J&G Transmission. We've been supporting the Bit and Spur Rodeo for about 15 years now. A bunch of really good people, a really good event. They've always taken good care of us as a sponsor. You can buy rodeo tickets at TooeleBitandSpurRodeo.com. Great event, come out and see us.